Oh god, there's like fire ants everywhere. And to make it worse, this is it's kind of sketchy to go down, especially when you don't trust your shoes. Okay, and we made it. Now, look at that. If this isn't frog territory, I don't know what is. I mean, lily pads, but. Whew, so, let's go to throwing this. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Last time I was here, I was ill prepared. We just came here on Memorial Day. I came with my mom, stepdad, and my sister. And I just brought my little reel. I didn't bring my fishing backpack. I just brought a little mystery tackle box that had some bait in it. And I didn't know that all this moss, whatever it is, was here. So I threw just a crawfish, but I threw it weightless. And I was just trying to skip it along the surface of the water. That was my plan. And on the second cast, I got a bass to blow up on it. But then after that, no luck, and just, no matter how much I tried to make it weedless, I kept on getting, what do you call it? All this mossy stuff on it. Over here is where I got that bite last time on the crawfish. So, nice cast. There's a bass right there. Wait, no. That's a gar. That's a gar. That's a gar. That's a gar. I can see its snout. I can see its fins. That was a terrible cast for the gar. What am I talking about? It looks like a small spotted gar. Even if it did try to eat my frog, there's no way in hell I would hook it with a frog. That tiny, skinny mouth and two big hooks that are separated. It would look cool. That's one, yeah. See, now I'm starting to think whether those are bass or they're gar. I know there's a lot of spotted gar over here. So that's what I'm trying to figure out now. I mean, if I can hook one, then I'll know for sure. But as of now, the only fish I've seen is gar. What type of gar? I am almost positive it's either spotted or long-nosed gar. I haven't seen it enough to be able to tell. Holy sh! Holy shit! What did I tell you earlier? I said I'm gonna be bringing it in. You know. Remember, I said I'm gonna be bringing it in slowly. Then it's gonna get blown up right by my feet. There you go. Oh. There you go. Damn it. Damn it. Oh. I think that was a good bass. There you go. 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 That is a nice bass right there. Look at that, baby. On the frog. Finally, a frogfish. Come on, big girl. Look at that. Whew. Now, that's beautiful right there. Now, let's get them released into the water. Gorgeous bass. Okay. Here you go. And he's off. Well, at least we got one bass. Love that smell of fish. On the frog. Ooh, and my GoPro's about to die too. It's like it was meant to be.